And it's easy. I mean, it's just content that if you already use these apps, you probably already make content. My entrepreneurship mindset, honestly, was as a kid.
Got too much genius shit that the world needs to see and feel.
It don't cost nothing to show a nigga love. All we doing is getting money. Show a nigga some love, nigga.
What's up, YouTube? It's Prince Jones 06 channel. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, subscribe. This channel is some fun, entrepreneur stuff. If that sounds like something that you're excited about, today though, I'm gonna be teaching y'all, not teaching y'all, showing y'all a way that any person with the Instagram that has a decent amount of followers, I mean like a decent, maybe like 1,000, 500 to 1,000 is enough, you know, as long as you got good engagement, and honestly, maybe not even that, but as long as you can make good content, then you can go ahead and make $1,500 really easily. I'm gonna run y'all down the whole thing. You can make $1,500 real easy. And I thought at first, when I first discovered this, I thought, man, this is fake. It's not real. No way I'm gonna be able to make this money. Like, I'm gonna do all this stuff and then I'm not gonna get the money. So I was like, but it was an app. So I was like, all right. And it was on the app store. I was like, yo, whatever. Let's just check it out, all right? Checked it out. First kind of content creation that somebody had up there. I'm pretty sure it was for a chain. It was for somebody's jewelry brand. It's actually a big jewelry brand, actually. I won't shout out the name out. I'll keep them discretionary. But it was a big jewelry brand company, and I think they were like paying like $50 for like pictures of you just in the chain, you know, just pictures. So I was like, that's easy, and I was like, I'll do that, and even if I end up not being able to get the money, at least I'll find out if it's fake or not. So I was like, whatever. So I went and I took the pictures, whatever, uploaded it. Boom, they sent the 50. Got it from PayPal. You had to hook up your PayPal account and you got the money. So I was like, oh snap, this is for real. So then I started, applying to all of like a bunch of different companies to just see, and I've gotten a ton of different companies, workout apps, skincare, you name it. Like, there's a bunch of stuff. And the thing is about these companies, they'll send you the product. You don't have to pay for anything. So they'll send you the product, or if you do pay for something, they'll reimburse you. So they'll add it to the money that you'll get at the end. But yeah, so basically, like, you all set. So they'll add the actual money to and then like they pay the app first. So then you get your money. Like, you have to get your money. There's no way for you not to get your money. As long as you complete like the content or whatever. And that too is kind of, I guess people are kind of wondering maybe like how, and I was thinking about it too, is like, how do they kind of judge the content? Like, what if they don't like the content and they keep asking you for more? Rarely does that ever happen, and if they do go back and they want the content redone, it's usually something simple. They want organic content, most of these people. That's why they're coming to creators, especially creators that aren't like the bigger creators. That's why they're paying the $200, the $100, even some of them pay $500 to $1,000, depending on how good you are. But that's why they're coming there, so they don't have to go and pay that big $20,000 to somebody with, verified or whatever. So yeah, they don't really judge the content. They don't really judge the content like that. They kind of want you to meet the guidelines. If you meet the guidelines, because they set these little guidelines up on like kind of how they want, what they want, like how they want it, landscape. They kind of set you up so you know exactly what to expect, and you can look at that stuff before you actually apply. So you know, like, oh, that's a video. I don't want to do that. Like, certain videos or certain content creation, I look at it and I go, I'm not doing that. Some of the times when they want to run ads through your account, I go, I'm not doing that. And then yes, some of the postings, some people want to pay like $30 for me to post on my feed, and I'm like, not doing that. Like, it's not worth the money to post, to post on my feed for $30. Like, I think, like what? No. Anyway, so So yeah, that's just I guess the gist of it. So you can basically go on there and start applying all the different ones, and then you kind of, a lot of times like the companies will reach out, kind of like get feedback from you first before they actually proceed. Some of them will just go straight in and like they like your content because they can, you when you sign up, they can kind of see your profiles, and that's another thing. So your profiles, when you sign up, you have to get verified through the app, so they have to verify your profiles to even be eligible to apply to certain things. So like if you don't use TikTok, then they're not gonna approve your page, because like they don't just want random people trying to apply for it that don't even have like a following or don't even use the app, or you know what I mean? Like it would just be, so they actually want to see your page and be able to go in and look and see like, oh, this person actually uses this app and they're pretty good at what they, they have certain content up or whatever. I mean, you don't have to have like crazy content, but you obviously use the app. So you have something up there. So yeah, so they'll approve that. They got YouTube. I think Facebook and Instagram are joined together, and then TikTok. So yeah, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and then TikTok. I think those are the only three, and then everything else. Everything else is under those umbrellas. So yeah, and then like, so the companies too, they also, once you complete something, and this is kind of how where you can either hurt yourself if you kind of like try to turn in something crazy or like turn in bad content. They kind of like rate you. So like if you turn in like horrible content, but you did it, so they have to pay you, then they just rate you horribly. And once you start getting horrible ratings, the rest of those companies can see that what it was, why they got the horrible rating, and they won't use you again. So like, that's just, keep that in mind when you're doing these. So try to do the best you can, and it's easy. I mean, it's just content that if you already use these apps, you probably already make content. You probably do so much stuff with your time that you could be like, you're doing it for free, or you could be making money from it. So that's just my thing about it. Like, I take 10 minutes to make one of these videos for a company that's gonna pay me $150 rather than me. I usually make a video for free, So, but I guess it's a little bit different when you gotta incorporate product and kind of be like more kind of, I don't know, staged almost, not staged, but yeah, you get it, like rehearsed. So, I mean, that's just the difference of it all. So yeah, if you guys like this content, and you guys have any questions, but yeah, I'm sorry, before I end this. So yeah, I've done 18 videos, by the way. 18 videos I've done on the app. I made $1,500, and I mean, I did that in like 3 months. $1,500, $500 a month. So, and it took me no time to make the videos. All of them, I'm one of the top creators on the app. Got like a 4.7 rating out of 5. So check it out. I'm by no means paid by Insense or anything like that. I mean, if they want to, they can. But no, I just want to help people out so it's money that everybody can get. It's certain things up there, like for girls, for instance. Like they have certain specific people that they want to do videos. And I don't apply to all of them. I'm not a girl. They have kids ones. They have like stuff for moms, dads, just different people of all backgrounds. So there's probably something for you up there that you probably have no idea, and they're looking for you, and you have no idea they're looking for you. So if you go check it out, you probably may be able to make some easy money from just making some quick content. But other than that, I can show y'all how to use the app. I can like actually do where I take a video and like kind of go through it with y'all. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to do that. Also, if you want me to show you some of the videos that I've done where I've created the content, and I can show you that too as well. So y'all just let me know, and if you need any help, reach out. But yeah, I just want to see people win. So y'all subscribe, tap in with the guy. I'm gonna keep coming to y'all with more content. I just like the reason why I was kind of like slow down on the content is I don't want to edit it. I'm not editing this video. I'm gonna drop it and it's gonna go straight out. I might add some things to the front or back maybe, but I don't want to edit the middle part. I don't have enough time right now. I do too much stuff, so I just was like, I can't make videos. I'm like, I always make them, and then I'm like, all right, I gotta edit that, and then I like it just sit there. I gotta re-download the video because it goes in the cloud, and I'm like, all right, well, and then it never happens because I don't ever have the time. So I'm like, all right, let me just make videos where I don't have to edit it. I can just talk to you guys freely, give y'all the game, give y'all tips. Maybe one day I'll be able to get an editor, pay for an editor, or myself make time where I can go through and I can put ding, this is the first point, this is the first tip, ding, this is the second tip, and kind of make it more visually appealing for you guys. But I think this gets the point across. I mean, anybody that wants to make money is gonna listen to this whole video because I know it helped me when I needed the money. I needed some money to just help me. Who doesn't need extra money? So yeah, tap in, man. Prince Jones 06 channel.